Introduction. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing an interesting topic that many of you may have wondered about. How do travel agents make money? We often see travel agents promoting and selling travel packages, but have you ever wondered how they actually make a living from it? In this video, we'll be exploring the different ways that travel agents generate income. Body. Firstly, travel agents make money through commissions. When a travel agent books a trip for a client, they receive a commission from the airline or hotel they book with. These commissions vary depending on the type of trip and the arrangements made. For instance, booking a flight or hotel for a client may earn a travel agent anywhere between 5 to 10% of the total cost. Additionally, some travel agents also earn commission from travel insurance or car rentals that they arrange for their clients. Secondly, travel agents also make money through service fees. Many travel agents charge a service fee for their expertise and the time they spend helping clients plan their trip. These fees can range from a flat fee for a consultation or hourly rates to a percentage of the total cost of the trip. This is especially true for complex itineraries, such as multi-destination trips, where travel agents may spend hours researching and booking flights, hotels, and activities. Another way that travel agents make money is through group bookings. By organizing group travel, travel agents can negotiate discounted rates for their clients and often earn a commission or fee for organizing the trip. Group bookings can include anything from corporate events to family reunions and weddings. Lastly, some travel agents also earn money through selling travel-related products. This can include anything from travel accessories like luggage and cameras to travel packages that include flights, hotels, and tours. Travel agents may earn a commission on these products or sell them at a markup to their clients. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are the main ways that travel agents make money. From earning commission on bookings to charging service fees for their time and expertise, travel agents have a variety of income streams. By knowing how travel agents make money, you can better understand the value they provide and the cost of their services. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.